Hello world, in this video I am going to show you how to convert any image to pattern which you can copy and send anywhere with Python script. This is the script, which may seem large but it is actually simple because I added 3 different methods to create pattern in image. You can download this code in my GitHub repository for free, which I mentioned in the description of this video. Before working with the code, let's see the algorithm. You can take any image, let's say this heart.png image, which I downloaded from the internet. It consists of pixels with specific value according to the color. I'm going to take a pixel's color and print an emoji in output if the color is red, otherwise print an empty space. If I do this iteratively for every pixel, then I will get the output which has the pattern similar to the input image. That's all, let's dive into the code. This code needs an image processing module Pillow which is not built in. So you may get an error. If you don't have it, go to the command and run pip install Pillow. I think I don't need to explain this code because it can be easily understood if you read it. We are just iterating over every pixel and printing characters and emojis, etc. I have 3 functions: simple uniform, multiple random, multiple uniform, from which you can get various patterns for a single image. I have some control parameters like resolution of the output, spacing at the beginning of the character, spacing at the end of the character, then spacing between the characters. So if you have distorted output, pick some control characters to get desired output. Here I have a flame.png image. If I want a flame pattern with a flame emoji, I'm going to do that. Locate its path in the path section. To add emojis, go to Google, search for an emoji, copy it and paste inside the function's print statement. Run it and copy paste anywhere you want. You can literally convert any image to any pattern. This video is recorded with OBS Studio, animated with Blender, edited with Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.